All right, so how to find the x-intercept is similar to what we do to find the y-intercept. So the x-intercept, just like the y-intercept, is the value of y when x equals 0. The x-intercept is the value of x when y equals to 0. All right. So in terms of having an equation, this is the equation that we're going to look at. It's 2x plus 5y equals 10. I want to find out what the x-intercept is. So that means I am going to take my value of y and equal it to 0, or put 0 where y goes. And then I'm going to solve for x. So this 0 would go here. All right, so that means I would then have 2x plus 5 times, and I'm going to put a 0 there, equals 10. All right, and then we are just going to simplify this and solve for x. So we know that I would bring down my 2x. 5 times 0 is going to be 0, equals 10. You can go ahead and mark that out and cancel it out because we do not need that anymore since it's 0. And now we have 2x equals 10. And we just follow the same steps that we have of dividing by 2 on both sides. So x will be equal to 5. When we are speaking in terms of intercepts, they are ordered pairs. So the ordered pairs for this, for the x-intercept would be 5 comma 0, because remember I put a 0 where y went, right? So let's go ahead and use the same equation to find the y-intercept. So let's review that the y-intercept is the value of y when x is equal to 0. All right. So this means that I am going to put a 0 in my equation where x goes. So I would have 2 times 0 here, okay, equals 10. So if we put a 0 here and we're going to solve for y, we have 2 times 0, which is 0. Or you can just cross that out because we know that it's going to be 0, plus 5y. So 5y equals 10. And we're going to divide both sides by 5. All right. And y equals 10 divided by 5 is 2. So my y-intercept would be 2. And as far as ordered pairs are concerned, I already said that my x, remember, x goes here, and I put a 0 where x goes. So that means I would have a 0 where x go, and then for my y, it would be 2. So it would be 0 comma 2. All right.